I wanted to show Dita your little
yes,
little
Stirling engine.
Stirling engine.
Yes.
But it's cunning.
Please.
Money, because I've come back in case you need the money now.
Oh, I've still got a tenner myself, so I'm still okay for the moment.
Oh, I can give you.
No, I'm still okay for it. I've still got a tenner.
Back. No, well, I've got mine back now. So I can give you the 20 if you give me the 10.
Oh, okay.
Come and see.
Yeah, magic, man.
You here tomorrow morning?
Yes, for a little while.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Great.
Hopefully catch
So,
up.
I mean, have you been back around the other side of the planet and then come back again?
Yeah,
Really?
several times.
Several times.
Since we last
Well,
met.
because we need to do this recordings like we're talking about.
Yeah. Well, maybe tomorrow morning.
Okay.
If I've got battery.
Solve
that problem.
Because there's a lot of because we want to make a connection there. We're talking about being to the southern hemisphere. Is what we were just talking about.
Look, before I go, give me your current email and stuff.
Okay.
I'll put it on the camera here so I've got it.
Just in case.
And action.
Okay. www.ianmoore.org. New at ianmoore.org, and also Thexia, Thexia. So you go to Google, type in Thexia, it comes up first. What else? And kidstuff.co.uk. Telephone number 0783 7778 246.
Right, Ian.
Magic.
So this one
we'll
is-
be in contact.
Yeah, great.
Certainly will, yeah.
So this also one is the piston. That one there, is it? Is this the same thing?
Okay, yes, it is. Do you want me to?
Sure.
Do you want to see it working, or shall I describe to you how it works first?
Well, we'll describe how. I was for her really. I'm fascinated by the sort of valve gear idea on it.
Okay, shall I show you how it works? Okay, you heat this side, and this side you keep cool. The air in here, when it's hot, will expand. So that will push a piston. There is the piston. Okay, so this is a sealed unit with just a piston in the end. There's no valves in or out or anything like that. So it's just the same air that gets heated, and that pushes the piston. So then we need to move the air from here to there to cool it. And this is how we do it. So we have this other thing in there. Can you see that it's a slightly smaller diameter? So air can go round this one, but not the bottom one. The bottom one's just a proper piston. Okay? So, when the air in here is hot, it will make the piston go down. So here's the piston in the bottom position, and this thing has been pushed up. Okay, that goes right up inside there and pushes all the air out down here, which then gets cooled. So it displaces the air. So that then sucks the piston back in, and now the air goes up here to get heated again.
Right.
That's it.
Anyway, it works. It goes like billio.
Not only does it work, it's mankind's most efficient engine.
Well, that would depend upon the source sink temperature difference, though, wouldn't it? I mean,
Yes.
that's your Carnot cycle thing. So this has to be a very efficient cooling
Yes,
for it to work.
in terms of efficiency.
Because you've got T1, T2 minus T2 over Q.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to see it working?
Yeah.
So,
It's cool beans watching this work, see?
so this could be any form of heat, really. I've got one that runs off solar, or, but this could just be a campfire or wood gas. Any form of heat, really. And basically you just, get it going and off it goes.
Right. But then this cold sink thing will get hot with time if you leave it there, won't it?
Yes, I mean obviously this is a small demonstration model. You would liquid cool it.
Water cool that in
Yeah,
would you?
yeah. For example,
Okay.
yeah.
So what's the power in it and what's a heat?
Just the gas.
A gas, what's the gas?
Well, this is just ordinary gas. But you could power it with a wood burning stove or petrol, paraffin, diesel,
what
coal.
about-
Hang on.
sorry.
Petrol, paraffin, diesel, coal, fart gas, friction, solar, nuclear power, the heat from the earth, whatever. But it's quite, it keeps going.
Cool, isn't it?
What about a magnifying glass? Like,
Yes, on the sun. Yeah, Fresnel lens.
So it could be solar as well.
Yeah, that's what. So I've got one of those there. See,
And
this
that's-
is exactly the same. Sure, I'll bring it over here. This is exactly the same. That's like that. So if you can see,
Oh,
okay,
right,
this has got
yeah.
a glass tube.
Yeah.
There's just like a
So that takes the rays.
the rays
that
of the
way.
sun
But
concentrate
But
onto that.
what if you had it round
wait,
this? Right.
Wait a minute. The rays of the sun concentrate onto there, and this is just like a greenhouse. It's just a windshield, the glass thing. So this is exactly the same, like that. So you point it at the sun. This thing goes absolutely nuts. So this will literally drive really, really fast in the sun. Exactly the same. And then you can attach a generator. I have had a generator on this one and stuff. So, but it goes really, really well. But it must have clear sun.
Yeah.
No clouds.
And this one, how does the valve gear work on that? Then? Is that
Well, there's no valve gear. All there is
the
that
displacement thing.
yes, what there is that there's water inside these two. So inside there's a cold chamber,
Right.
and the piston is moving up and down, and that's on this centre one. That's the piston there that we can see.
Right, okay.
And this other one is moving a cup up and down, which is moving the air, watch my hands, from the hot side to the cold side, from the hot and back again. So it's doing that, yeah, into the chamber. By when it comes back up, it's forcing the air down into the cold chamber and then back down to the hot again. It's like that. So that is liquid cooled, this one. Really, it should have pumped water through it to keep it cool, because the water would get hot fairly soon.
Yeah,
Interesting, huh?
So-
You are interdimensional wizard
I am,
indeed.
and I do many, many things other than just simply these two engines. Have you seen this thing? You're going to love this at 10 o'clock tonight. This is 250,000 volts. And last night we had it bicycle powered, so that was rather nice. It's called a Tesla coil, Nikola Tesla. So that's quite fascinating. And also exploding water. So we're breaking down water into hydrogen and oxygen, very simply just by putting 2 bits of metal in water, and then you put those onto a battery, and that will make hydrogen and oxygen. And then I've been collecting that in this little bit here, and I've lost my rocket because I've got, oh, here we are. So I collect that in this little bit here, that bit there, and can you see that I've got a clicker? You know what a clicker is, a spark, I think. You can see the spark inside. So when that hydrogen is filled up, then this thing goes not pop or even bang. It goes BAM! Like that, and flies up about half the size of that big tree. It's really, really loud, but it takes 5 or 6 minutes to get that ready. Don't know whether we'll do that right now. But that's an interesting thing.
Thanks so much.
Very good, no problem at
Marvelous
all.
presentation in 8 minutes.
Thank you.
Thanks.